Bonjour everyone and welcome on in. Today I'm going to teach you how to install DaVinci Resolve on CachyOS. It couldn't be more simple. I'll teach you two methods. One involves the terminal using Pacman, and one involves a GUI installation via Octopi, which comes with CachyOS. So let's start with the Octopi method, because I know a lot of you don't want to touch the terminal if you can help it. Open the app menu, type in Octopi, hit enter. From here, just search for DaVinci, hit enter. As you can see, CachyOS has packaged DaVinci Resolve in its repos. To install it here, all you have to do is right click, go to the plus install button, click on that, it'll be queued up. Then hit the check mark in the top left of the window here. From here, it's going to tell you that it's going to install some extra packages and dependencies. That's fine. Click yes. Put in your nice easy password. Hit enter. And from here, Octopi will take over and do the installation with the assistance of Pacman, the package manager. Give it a few minutes. Depending on your internet speed and the speed of your computer, it may take longer for some folks. Your mileage may vary. And we're done. That's how you install DaVinci Resolve in CachyOS. Do note that this is the free version of DaVinci Resolve. I'll cover the studio version in another video, as there's a few extra steps for that one that I would want to go over. Now you can close Octopi. If you want to do it with a terminal using Pacman, here's how you do it. Open the app menu, go to console, type in sudo for super user do, then Pacman for your package manager, then sy to sync and update the database, which basically means it's going to get and install the latest version of the package. Then type in DaVinci-Resolve and hit enter. Put in your nice easy password. And then it will tell you what package you need to install. You'd hit yes. I'm going to write over the one we literally just installed. But if you didn't have it installed, it would tell you there was no old version. Hit Y or just press enter and then push enter here. It'll check, make sure you have all the dependencies, and then it will install what you need. For me right now, again, we literally just installed it before in Octopi, so it's reinstalling. Yay. And it's done. We can close console. Now comes the magic part. Open the app menu, type in DaVinci, and there it is, DaVinci Resolve. Push enter, do your initial setup. So hit continue, quick setup, or skip if you need to. It'll parse your system and see if it has everything you need to run. Hit continue, select your resolution for stuff you want to create. I'll just do HD for now. Select where videos are saved. By default, it's in the videos folder, in your home folder. Select what keystrokes you want to use. I'm familiar now, very much so, with the DaVinci Resolve default, but if you're coming from Premiere Pro or anything like that, you can use familiar keyboard keystrokes that work for you. Once you're happy there, click continue. Then you're all set. Then click start. Boom, Bob's your uncle. If you're an NVIDIA user, you're pretty much good to go here. AMD users, we got a problem. And that problem is that it's gonna crash on you as soon as you click on the edit page. The reason for that is a certain package included with CachyOS has a bug in it. It's the OpenCL Mesa package. What we're going to need to do is install the ROCm OpenCL runtime directly from AMD rather than using the OpenCL Mesa package. You could use Octopi to do that, you can use Pacman to do that, or whatever package manager you have. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do it nice and quick in the console. So open the console. And there's a certain order of operations to this so that you don't remove any dependencies like DaVinci Resolve itself. So first, we'll install the ROCMs. So again, sudo for super user do, Pacman for the package manager, then sy to flag up the installation, and then type in ROCm-OpenCL-runtime and push enter. Put in your nice easy password. Hit enter. It'll tell you everything it needs to install and the dependencies and such. Once you're ready to proceed, hit yes. And away it goes. Again, depending on your system, it may take longer for some people than others. Be patient with it. Enjoy watching the little Pacmans go. I always do. And now it's done. So now that we have the ROCm OpenCL runtime package, we need to uninstall OpenCL Mesa. That's done using Pacman as well. So sudo for super user do, then Pacman -rcc to remove everything. This is basically a purge. And then OpenCL-Mesa and push enter. It's going to warn you that you're removing OpenCL Mesa and the library for it. That's fine. Just press Y and hit enter. And then you're good to go. So now you can exit here and run DaVinci Resolve again. Open your project. And now when you go to the edit page, it'll work just fine. Everything is awesome. Do note that the free version of DaVinci Resolve does have codec limitations. For example, it does not like H.264, it doesn't like AAC. You're going to need to download something to convert your video files to something more ingestible by DaVinci Resolve. It's not hard to do. There's plenty of those out there, such as DaVinci Convert, or even just using Handbrake, or as a lot of people have learned to do, preemptively record your content in a format that actually works with DaVinci Resolve's free version, such as using FLAC or PCM instead of AAC audio and using a different codec for your video. Other than that, she works just fine. You'll also want to note those limitations don't exist in the studio version, but I'm going to make another video about installing that one. So if you have the studio version, stay tuned for that one in the future. But this has been fun. I hope you have a good time creating content, and I'll see you in the next video.